Today we're taking the Tesla Model 3 2021 out for a spin. No, I mean for a real spin. Since we're located in Germany, we got one of the first in Europe. With the full self-driving package, you can remote control the car with your phone, and that's even allowed and doable in Germany. So you can have it go forward and backward, and you can use the smart summon feature, which in a radius of about 12 meters lets you have the car self-drive itself to you. Admittedly, that's not very useful unless you have a very, very tight spot, which in this case we happen to have. What really stands out when taking the Model 3 out on the road is how quiet it is. The improved window soundproofing definitely helps with that. The suspension feels a bit bumpy, but that's to be expected from a sportsy car. Navigate on Autopilot actually does work somewhat on German Autobahns. After seeing a lot of the reviews, I did not expect much from it. But after figuring out the initial quirks around lane changing and how to interact with the system, I was quite surprised in what it could handle and how well it does actually work. That being said, there are a lot of edge cases and I definitely wouldn't rely on it with my life. So keeping your hands on the steering wheel at all time definitely is recommended. Now off to some high-speed testing on the German Autobahn. And we're keeping the original audio so you can hear what it actually sounds like. The wind noise gets very loud, though comparing it with a normal car, I think it's actually pretty good, and you can still have a normal conversation. At over 200 kilometers an hour on the Autobahn, you definitely see some power consumption spikes though. Now if you want to see us race the Model 3 2021 from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour and see how much time that takes, check out our next video here.